Action. Okay, we're about to dig this one up.
Dad, look at this one.
Okay, I'll come get that one, Gabe.
Watch it very closely. He's gonna dig it up. Here it comes. Is that a wobble again? Yes, it's wobble. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that wobble. Here comes the digging. Oh, we're still at concrete. That's a good sign. But amazingly, the black post will be down here in about 2 seconds.
Okay, look at that. It's not even. Isn't even catching it.
And we're at the bottom of the concrete.
Okay, Gabe, I need you to run up
Shows
to
how crappy this
the garage and give me a
fence
little
is.
garden shovel, one of those little tiny.
I don't know where they are.
Yeah, no, do you know where they are?
No, what?
Check all the way down.
Look, Daddy. Look at this baby
A little
wobble.
garden shovel.
Oh, this baby's probably the worst one here. After we dug it out, it's really easy to wobble.
Okay, hon, thanks.
The least it might be. Bottom of that concrete.
Okay, it's back up, Jack. Just a
What would happen if you put some dynamite in this hole, filled it in, and it blew it up?
It would blow up everything.
Yeah, it would blow
Okay.
up, especially this post.
Shut down the.
Oh no, look at that
Shut
stick
it down.
right
Turn
there.
it off for a second. Let